Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be doing a DIY nail tutorial for you guys. It's extremely beginner friendly and affordable. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please stick around. And guys, if you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you guys here. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you guys and I love y'all. Guys, these are all the products I'll be using. I know guys, the scissors is right there, but guys, I did not end up using the scissors because I didn't realize how short these nails were, so I had no need for the scissors, so please excuse those. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do now is just try to match up the nails to fit my nail correctly, and I apologize that my hand is in the way. I did not realize that my hand was in the shot, but I found out later on in the video and I did correct the issue, so please forgive me for that. Okay guys, now that I've got that out the way, I'm just going to lightly sand my nails or buff my nails so that the glue on the nail will stick to it. So guys, I apologize for the shot right here. I didn't realize that I had my hand out the camera or halfway out the shot, so just forgive me please. Guys, I am right-handed and I ended up doing my left hand first and then my right hand afterwards, and surprisingly I ended up doing my left hand better than my right hand. Well, doing my right hand better than my left hand, even though I am right-handed. Try to do 2 coats, but I've kind of messy right here because I knew that I had the nail remover and that little stick that you see right there, so I knew that I was going to go back over and wipe the crease with the stick and the nail remover, so I wasn't quite careful as I should. But if you want to be more tidy or neater than I am, you can definitely clean up as you go along, but I was trying to go as fast as I can, so I decided to wait until after I got everything done to go over and clean up the sides. So guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you join the family. I do hair tutorials, cooking videos, cleaning videos, decluttering, organizing, DIYs, decorating, hauls, and all things motherhood. I also share my beautiful daughter on this channel, so I'd love to have you stick around. I upload twice a week on Mondays and Wednesdays at 12 noon. So yeah, come hang with your girl. Also guys, please hit that thumbs up if you like the video. Please leave a comment down below, it would help me out a lot, and I love to chat with you guys in the comments. If you're new here, let me know. Say hi or hey, or let me know where you're from. I love to get to know each and every one of you. Okay guys, now I'm just going to take a little piece of the cotton and put it on that stick. I forgot what the correct name of the stick is, and dip it in the nail remover and then just go around the edges and clean up. That's it guys, all done. This literally took me under 15 minutes and because I had to stop and film and adjust the camera a bit, but it would have been faster. But that was it. If you enjoyed this content, please leave a comment down below, let me know how I did, and thanks for watching. My next video will be a Dollar Tree haul, and shop with me, guys. I'm super excited for this one because I've been dying to go to the Dollar Tree. See you there.